Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. One of the biggest questions I always get when doing a consult is, what about the scar? I'm so scared about the scar. Don't be. You'll never ever see it again, especially when you have this long hair. This right now is straightened out, and this is how pencil fine my scar is. It is literally the size of a pencil tip. So when you're thinking about having a hair transplant, you cannot get a hair transplant with 4C hair texture and get the FUE procedure. The only procedure I recommend with 4C, 4B, or 4A hair texture is an FUT procedure. It's a strip procedure, leaving you a pencil fine scar. If you want a fine pencil fine scar and you want your edges back, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Give me a call and we'll set up a consult for you.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.